Hello traders, welcome back to the Chart Whisperer, where we only trade when the market pays us to. A beautiful Thursday morning in sunny South Africa. I hope you guys have been having a good trading week, and without wasting any further time, let's get into today's analysis. We're gonna kick things off with the Dow Jones as normal. Honestly, nothing happened yesterday. If you pay attention, you will see that market pretty much closed where they opened. Closed around here and opened very close to it. So yeah, nothing happened. In fact, I think you'll see that that's the theme for all the instruments for today. So it's pretty much the same analysis I had. I want to go short one more level here. Um, Nasdaq, I'm thinking long. Based on yesterday's observation. Sorry, what I said yesterday in yesterday's video. So I think definitely going to be long here as well. Pound, I want to go short again. They didn't move. Yeah, I'm gonna move quickly past this because the same thing. Like I said, close very similar. Okay, they did actually aggressively go up here. Euro, probably one of the few exceptions who went all the way up there. However, if you pay attention, they pretty much went to what is it today? Tuesday's high, and quickly reverse of that. So maybe that has something to do with it. We'll see how the day goes. But again, I'm still expecting to go short there. AUD did its thing by moving during Asian session. I never liked this, but interesting how they actually did respect the what do you call this last week's high. Looks like a very decent area of liquidity, if you will, here. So we'll see how that goes. I do want to go short here. Canadian dollar, want to go long, although as you can see yesterday they definitely went all the way down, so I could be completely wrong here. And I see that at initial low of the day. Who knows, I might actually take an entry here very soon, depending on how this current candle closes. Actually, if it is a bullish candle that closes all the way up here, then I'll probably be in. But jumping the gun, for directional purposes, we're still looking long. I think the only one that I'm not quite sure of is the Swiss franc, and that is because I want to see how they treat this area here, this one here. I can look at this as like 1, 2 levels of rise, but like I said, for me to actually consider it, they'd have to take this out. And interestingly enough, even if they do break it, that'll be the third level, which means I'm waiting for a reversal anyway. So I'm definitely staying out of the Swiss franc for now. Let me just have a look at the 4 hour just to get a bit of perspective. Oh yeah, that explains why I don't want to go long yet. And the S&P, bit of a range here. Just like yesterday, I want to go short. As you can see, yesterday they did kind of reverse off of the previous day's high, Tuesday that is. So we'll see how that pans out. But for now, like I'm saying, I'm assuming everything that I assumed yesterday. Not much happened yesterday. I didn't see it really that change things in terms of level count. So yeah. Now let's look at where we're gonna get positions. Let us see. Dow Jones. What you got? Dow Jones would only be all the way there at yesterday's high, and I don't know, it's a little too close for my liking to the ADR high. So if price gets there, I think I'm just gonna stay out. I'll monitor the level. You know, it'll have to be very compelling, like a very strong railroad. But yeah, not likely to get in there. So let's just do that. I'm gonna go long here. Let's see. Do we have an area though? The only thing with Nasdaq is I don't like going long when um things like EURUSD and GBPUSD are going the opposite direction. They do have a bit of a correlation, a positive that is. So it's not common that they move in opposite directions. But like I always say, levels over everything for me. You want to go short here. As you know, I'm looking at them right here. This is where I want them. If they give me a nice reversal pattern here, and because they already kind of did a bit of a okay, no, I was about to start lying to you. No, I need a two-legged formation actually. Could be here at the initial or at yesterday's high. Either way works. Same goes for the euro for the most part. No, this one is literally just um the initial high of the day. So if Asian session gives me something, then we are definitely gonna take him. It's actually one of my favorite setups. Should it materialize, we'll see. Okay, I sorry, I'm actually quiet because I'm actually looking at something. I don't like that the first leg, and this wouldn't be a first leg. Essentially, this would be the first leg, and it's already inside the thing, the volatility bands, and that kind of goes against my ultra strict rules. So it's not looking good here, to be completely honest. But let's see how things shape up. But yeah, I'd basically have to have another two-legged formation here, and that isn't very likely. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Um, let's look at Australian. Much better, in my opinion. Could take something. But from what I'm looking at, I don't think they're gonna come back up there. I think they're done. This little one here, that's actually it looks like it's enough for me. But obviously we'll see how things go. But if they come back a third time, fantastic. Fantastic. But I just don't see it happening. Let's say I might go long here. Let us take a look. See, definitely not happening during when I close it at the close of this candle. Let's just have a look. Yeah, if they come down here, I mean, I'm not gonna force anything here. Even yesterday I didn't take a position because there was none to take anyway. So we'll see how that goes. I do want to go long, but this would have been the ideal candlestick if it closed in the right area. So we'll see what happens, but it's not likely that I take a position here, to be honest. Dollar Swiss, I did say I'm staying out, and the S&P, I do want to go short. There is yesterday's high, which would be great. I would take it short there and ride it all the way. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at for today. Very similar to yesterday, like I said. We'll see if I can get any positions. Already gotten one this week, which was a painful L from USDCAD. Where was it? Yeah, I entered here. My stop loss was somewhere around here, so it was like, it almost felt like I was the stop hunt. And look at that, but it happens. I'm not crying. Just to say, I've already had one trade this week, so it is actually quite common that I don't get another one. But we'll see how things unfold as the day goes. I'll have my alerts as normal. If you're finding any value in this analysis, please click the links in the description. One of them sends you straight to a discussion group where you're gonna find other BTMM traders, not just myself, and we can compare notes. It's an open group. I try to encourage engagement in there. That group is not for me; it's for all of us. I benefit just as much as anybody else in there, really. Then the other one is a channel where I give a bit of a macro view, once or twice a week, depending on how that week looks in terms of the economic calendar, and things that matter. But yeah, you can get a lot of value in that channel as well if you don't want to engage. So just click that link. You'll find it in the description. And that's it from me. I hope you guys have an ultra profitable trading day. I will see you in the next one.